I've never used Thread Beauty, so today I'm gonna go ahead and use some of their makeup. I have some concealers, foundations, and a beauty sponge, so let's go ahead and slap it on. So here's the packaging of the foundations. They are stick foundations, so they are cream. I was in the mood to do cream foundation today, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try these out. I already moisturized, so I'm gonna go straight in and start painting. One thing I like about stick foundations is they are just so easy to apply. You just literally paint this shit on. Boom. So let's use a thread sponge. This is the Bounce It sponge. I'm gonna have to work at this for a second. So this foundation, you don't really want to let it sit on your skin because it starts to dry down right away. It was actually really difficult to blend out. I had to use a different sponge and that did help a little bit, but I absolutely do not like how this wears and how the finish is. As you can see, it's clinging to every single dry spot on my skin, but I don't even have a dry spots because I just exfoliated and moisturized right before I applied this. So I shouldn't have any weird spots like that. So I do not like this foundation so far. It just does not look good. Okay, so let's move on to concealer. Hopefully this goes a little better. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some of this. By the way, this is the Cover It Multi-Use Complexion Fluid. So let's start to blend. And I'm going to use this sponge, by the way, because the other one, it was just not for me. Oh, the concealer looks pretty. Yeah, so the concealer blended out a lot better. It looks so much more smooth and has a good amount of coverage, and that was actually a pretty good shade for me. I'm gonna use another shade that matches my skin tone just to kind of give me more coverage in these areas that the foundation did not give me. Okay, so the concealer did really revive my foundation and my base. I like the concealer. I think it looks really pretty, really smooth, good coverage. I would use this again and again. The foundation, probably won't use this again, to be honest. So if you were to get a product, I would definitely go for the concealer.